Managing payroll doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. And if you're looking for the right solution for your business, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you how to use Patriot, one of the most popular payroll and accounting platforms designed for small businesses in the US. And if you'd like to follow along, you can try Patriot for free using our affiliate link in the video description. Patriot offers a free trial so you can explore all of its features before making a commitment. And if you decide to sign up through our link, it also helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, let's jump into Patriot Payroll and see what it has to offer. Now that we've successfully created our Patriot Payroll account using the link in the description, we're taken directly to the Payroll Setup Wizard. This is where Patriot helps you configure your payroll system before you start paying employees. At the top of the page, you'll notice a clear step-by-step progress bar. The setup is divided into 5 stages: payroll settings, paying employees, adding employees, review setup, and payroll history. Now, this makes it easy to track your progress and ensures you don't miss any important configuration steps. Right in the center of the screen, Patriot gives you 2 options. If you're ready to jump straight into the setup, simply click the Start Payroll Wizard. This guided wizard walks you through every step needed to get payroll system up and running, making it beginner-friendly even if you've never processed payroll before. Now, if you'd rather prepare everything first, there's also the payroll setup checklist. And this checklist outlines the information and documents you'll need before starting, such as employee details, tax information, company payroll settings, and having everything ready can make the setup process much faster. Now, another helpful feature is going to be the walk me through this tab video located here. If you are unsure about any part of the setup, you can watch the tutorial for additional guidance without leaving the dashboard. But of course, what I want you to do is click the Start Payroll Wizard, and what will happen is you'll be forwarded here. Here, you'll need to assign a nickname to your work location and verify the business address that was entered during registration. This information is important because it helps determine the correct payroll tax setup and ensures your employees are associated with the right work location. Now, the main question is simple. Do you have employees that work at this location? And if yes, just click this button, and after confirming your primary work location, Patriot displays a summary of all the locations you've added. At the top, you can see a table listing each work location along with its nickname, address, city and state, and zip code. This gives you a quick overview so you can verify that all of your business locations are accurate before moving on. In this example, the primary office location is listed first, and you'll also notice a remote and work from home location because Patriot automatically includes this option for employees who primarily work from home and using each employee's home address as their default work location. This is especially useful for businesses with remote or hybrid teams as it helps keep payroll records organized without requiring a separate office address. All you have to do now is click the Yes button, and what will happen is you'll be forwarded to another page. Okay, so after that, Patriot will ask you an important question, and this feature is designed for businesses that want to organize employees into different teams. So for example, if you click on yes, what will happen is you'll be forwarded to another page wherein you are required to answer if you want to set up departments so you can better organize your workforce and generate more detailed payroll records. Patriot explains the benefits of using departments because you can group employees by department. For example, let's say we're going to create a description here, and then on the drop-down menu, you can choose from a different work, remote from work from home, or a Patriot payroll demo and review. It's up to you. All right. And then click the save button. And what will happen is you'll be forwarded to another page. This can be especially useful for growing businesses that wants better visibility into labor costs across different areas of the company. And then after that, you want to make sure to confirm your business location. If you want to change it, you have the ability to do so. But of course, we're going to click the continue button. We are happy with this. And now you will be asked whether your business is required to pay employer payroll taxes. This is an important part of the setup because it determines how the software calculates and manages your payroll tax obligations. All right. Now, the second option is intended for businesses that are exempt from certain employer payroll taxes, such as nonprofit organizations or other tax exempt duties. If that applies to your business, Patriot will let you specify which taxes you are not required to pay in the next step. If you are unsure which option to choose, there's a convenient not sure option right here. You see this? That provides additional guidance along with a walk me through this step at the top of the page to help you better understand your tax responsibilities. But for now, we're going to choose the default first option and click the continue button. And once you've made your decision, what will happen is you'll be forwarded to the next step, which is putting up your federal tax. If you don't know how to get your federal tax, click this option right here. You will be given instructions on how to get your federal tax together with the EIN or the employer identification number. If you want to know more about it, you can scroll through all the list here and view all the details. All right. And then now Patriot guides you through setting up your state unemployment tax assessment, also known as SUTA. This is an important step because your SUTA rate is used to calculate the state unemployment taxes your business is responsible for paying. All right. All I have to do is choose the effective date on the drop-down menu. For example, let's say we're going to choose October 1st of this year and the tax rate is going to be like 69. And if you have any other SUTA rates in 2026, all right, click the continue button. And what will happen is you want to make sure to choose from any of the following options. If you've made affirmative election to participate in the ECEP or the Employer Compensation Expense Tax, all right, just click the no button and then click the continue. Don't worry if you don't know what are these. All I have to do is proceed with the continue button, okay? Because these are just for custom money types, all right? Just click the continue button and what will happen is here. Okay, so after that is going to be the setup process, whether your company needs to add employee deductions. This is where Patriot helps you manage deductions that are withheld from employees' paychecks. Now, Patriot highlights an important update because more than 20 states have enacted retirement savings programs that require certain employees to offer retirement savings options. And let me tell you this, to help businesses meet these requirements, Patriot integrates with Vestwell, allowing to offer a 401k retirement savings plan directly through the platform. Of course, if you are interested, you can simply check the box to have Vestwell contact you with more information about their retirement savings program. Obviously, this is completely optional and can be useful if you're looking to provide retirement benefits to your employees. Below that, Patriot provides examples of common employee deductions you can manage through the software, including benefit premiums, 401k savings, loan repayments, and wage garnishments. All right? All I have to do now is click the no button if you don't want it, all of these into your account. And then what will happen is just click the yes continue option. And then at this point, just provide all the information needed, such as contribution description. At this point, just provide all the information needed, like the contribution description. And then here, type is going to be like other, let's say other. Method is going to be like fixed dollar, fixed amount is going to be this. It's not taxable. And then put in the monthly limit and other. All right. Box label is this and click the continue button. What will happen is you'll be forwarded to a new page. You want to make sure to choose yes or no. This step is designed to help businesses accurately track workers' compensation insurance information for each employee. Because workers' compensation insurance protects both employers and employees in the event of a workplace injury, and in many states, it's a legal requirement for businesses with employees. So, by assigning the correct workers' compensation codes, Patriot can help simplify payroll reporting and keep your employee records organized. Click the yes button, and what will happen is you will see that if your business workers compensation classification codes, you need to make sure you are in the correct state. For example, we are in New York, and put in the correct code. And then, of course, you want to make sure to put in the description, which is optional. All right. Click the save button and click the continue. All right. At this point, you need to choose how you'll pay your employees. Patriot gives you several payment options, allowing you to select the method that best fits your business. Of course, the first option is handwritten or printed checks, which is a method you can use if you wanted to either handwrite employee paychecks or print them directly from Patriot using the standard check stock. This is a good choice for small businesses that prefers a traditional payroll process or only having few employees. The second option is direct deposit. Patriot will securely transfer employee wages directly into their bank accounts, eliminating the need for paper checks. Of course, the third option is using a combination of paychecks and direct deposit. This is ideal if some employees prefer direct deposit while others still receive paper checks, giving your business added flexibility. Now, if you don't want any of these, all you have to do is click the skip for now. You can safely skip all these. And what will happen is you can continue working on with the paying employees option. Now, adding a pay schedule is very important. You can put in a schedule name so that it's not confusing for the payroll. And then choose the pay frequency. For example, is it going to be like weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, monthly, quarterly, or semi-annually or annually? So we're going to choose the monthly for now and choose the pay period end date. Is it going to be like 28th, 27th, 25th? Let's say I'm going to choose the last day of the month. Okay? And then what will happen is you see that you have the pay schedule preview. Once you're happy with this, click the add pay schedule. All right, take a little time and just click the continue button if you are happy with the results. All right? And then moving along, we're going to go to the adding employees. All right? This information is needed for all the employees, like the personal information and all of these. Just click the continue button for now because what will happen is you need to provide the names of your employee right here. I'm going to skip this part because this is kind of self-explanatory. Just provide all the employee information name. We're going to go to the review setup. And then after that is going to be the review setup. This serves as the final checklist, allowing you to verify that all required information has been completed correctly. It's a great opportunity to catch any missing details before running your first payroll, helping you avoid errors and ensuring everything is ready to go. And finally, there's payroll history. Now, if you are switching from another payroll provider, this section lets you enter previous payroll information, so Patriot has accurate year-to-date payroll records. Now, this helps ensure tax calculations, employee earnings, and reporting remain accurate throughout the year. And once you've completed each of these sections, the payroll settings, paying employees, adding employees, review setup, payroll history, you'll have everything you need to get started with Patriot. Completing the setup carefully ensures your payroll runs smoothly, employees are paid accurately, and your business is ready to manage payroll with confidence. And with that being said, that wraps up our review of Patriot. If you're looking for a payroll software that's easy to learn, affordable, and packed with the essential features small businesses need, Patriot Payroll is definitely worth considering. And remember, if you'd like to try Patriot for yourself, be sure to use our affiliate link in the video description. Using our link lets you start with Patriot's free trial so you can explore the software and see if it's the right fit for your business before committing. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.